AI doesn't create thought, it amplifies the thinker. Hi, Queens. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7X published author. Welcome back to School of Soul, the social series, where we turn platforms into passive income and create freedom through social media. Today, I want to talk about something that's shifting the landscape of business, creativity, and success. And it's something a lot of people are getting completely backwards. AI isn't here to replace thinkers. AI isn't here to take over creativity. AI is a tool, but it's a tool that only serves those who already know how to think, those who know how to create, those who already have powerful ideas inside of them waiting to come to life. AI isn't magic. AI is magnification. AI multiplies what already exists inside you. If you're already someone who has sharp ideas, powerful creativity, clear strategy, AI can accelerate you. If you already know how to move, AI can make you move faster. If you already have strong, original thoughts, AI can bring them to life on a bigger scale, with greater reach and with greater speed than ever before. But here's the truth. Nobody wants to say out loud, AI can't save you if you have no thoughts of your own. It can't create brilliance from thin air. It can't think for you. It can't feel for you. It can't replace originality, vision, or leadership. If you're lost without it, you'll stay lost with it. If you have no clear ideas, AI can only mirror back confusion. It's not the source. You are. The real winners in this new era are not the ones who know how to prompt an AI. It's the ones who know how to think powerfully, move strategically, and create with soul. They use AI as an amplifier, not a replacement. They use AI to extend their reach, not to find their voice. They stay rooted in originality, while using technology to multiply it faster and wider than ever before. This is why it's more important now than ever that you trust your ideas, that you trust your vision, that you build your mind like you build your business. The thinkers, the visionaries, the strategists, the ones who know how to create something real, they will never be replaced. They will only be enhanced. If you have brilliance inside you, AI can turn the volume up. If you don't, AI can't give you what you haven't built yet. That's why I always say, before you build a brand, before you build a course, before you build a digital empire, you must build your mind. You must build your ability to think independently, creatively, strategically. You must build your ability to see opportunities where others see problems. You must build your confidence in your own voice. You must know who you are and what you stand for before you ever sit down at a screen and start building with a tool like AI. And here's another important truth. AI is fast, but authenticity is timeless. You can generate 1,000 posts a day with a robot, but if they have no soul, no real message, no real insight behind them, they won't land. They won't last. In a world flooded with noise, the only content that will cut through is the content that carries real energy, real depth, real originality. And that comes from you, not your laptop. So Queens, if you're worried about AI taking over, shift your mindset. AI isn't replacing creatives. It's replacing copycats. It's replacing people who were already phoning it in. It's speeding up the exposure of who's real and who's not. And for those of you who are real, who have true creativity, true leadership, true strategy inside you, this is your time to scale faster, reach wider, impact deeper. The greatest opportunities of this era will not go to the ones who know how to copy and paste. They'll go to the ones who know how to think, how to create, how to lead, and how to use the tools at their disposal without losing their soul in the process. You don't need to fear technology. You need to fuel your thinking. You don't need to outwork the machines. You need to outthink the crowd. In a world of endless information, the rarest and most valuable thing will always be original thought. So sharpen your mind, hone your ideas, clarify your vision, build your creativity like a muscle. Then, and only then, use AI as an amplifier. Use it as a tool that brings your genius to the world faster. But never forget, the genius is you. And if you're ready to build a brand, a business, and a movement rooted in real thinking, real leadership, and real strategy, and to learn how to use tools like AI to scale your brilliance without selling your soul, it's time to get inside the SOS Social Vault. Inside the vault, you'll find the trainings, templates, and strategic systems you need to build your brand in a way that's powerful, personal, and impossible to replace. I'll see you inside, Queen. Technology is only as powerful as the mind that wields it. Success loves speed. Go make your move.